All right, this is the part that hurts the worst, getting on the floor. I got to get these blades off. We ran over something, string and stuff, and it got hung up and wound around the blade. And it's about time I get these blades off anyway and give them a bit of a sharpen. So let me get them off. Oh, let's see. Noise alert. See over there, we got most of it off, but still some got buried up underneath it. All right, blade number 2. All right, we are in my other shop, and I'm gonna sharpen these blades on my 2x42, and there's my little blade balancer. And let me get you up here. I don't know if the vibrations are gonna be too much. We'll see. All right, let me get my glasses on. And I don't know what happened here. It's an old cut and it somehow opened it back up. Let me double check. This is the second blade. Very good. All right. Back to the other shop. Okay. Freshly sharpened blades, and them old blades that I took off, I'm probably going to throw them away. They're too far gone. And I'll tell you what, this is the shoot side that I'm on. So this blade wears at roughly twice the speed that blade wears, and here's the reason. That blade, all it does is pull up the grass and cut it and throw it over here. And this blade, on the shoot side, it pulls up the grass, cuts it, plus it's got to deal with the grass that's coming from that side. So this side wears quicker. Maybe not twice as fast, but noticeably faster. So over years, what I've done is when this blade is wore out and that blade still got some life on it, I move that old blade over here and I put a new blade over there, and over time I end up with extra blades. So now I've got two blades from different sets that are fairly new. And I just noticed something. This is I gotta hammer that out. I gotta get up, get a hammer and beat that out. So it's real close. All right, I'll be right back. All right. Plenty of room, plenty of room. Okay, now we lower this down and go park it, because I really need to mow Bev's yard, but there's no way I can do it today. I'm still nursing my back. It just doesn't seem to be getting any better. All right, let me go, I'm gonna let this down and park it, and then I'm gonna go get on that and go check on my wife. It was 102 yesterday, and it's gonna be that hot today. Oh, I got some good news. If you're a subscriber on my channel, you're probably a subscriber of my friend Jim and Mary. Jim's Equipment Shed is his channel name. Well, their dog passed away, Ted, and they were gonna wait, like everybody who has had a dog that they loved, where they were gonna wait. And anyway, they got a new dog. And I haven't asked him, but it looks like a terrier, some kind of terrier. And his name is Sam. And I'm real happy for Jim and Mary. They got a new baby. And I really enjoyed watching Jim's updates, Terrible Ted, and their little romps through the mountains and excursions, and watching Ted ride with Jim in the Kubota while they plowed snow and pulled trees out of the road and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm real happy for Jim and Mary. Okay, he's 15. He acts like he was okay. For 15, he's had very few... Gotta move over a little bit. There you go, because we're fixing to crank up. He's had very few problems. He's had some teeth problems, but not many joint problems. I just got to keep him from jumping off my workbench in my other shop, because when I leave, like go into the buffing room from the knife shop, if I'm gone too long, he jumps off the bench. Well, I shove the chair up in front of where he lays on my bench so he can jump in the chair and jump down, but for some reason he won't. So from now on, when I leave, I'm gonna have to pick him up and set him on the floor if I go into the buffing room. All right, let's go check on my wife.